This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Look it up. Check it out. Listen, this is the laziest way to make money online right now in 2022. As you're looking at here, I'm logging in into one of the websites here that I'm going to show you step by step what I did to earn over $50,000 plus. And you know this is a new account because you got $47,000 pending. But listen, the crazy part is I didn't spend a dime. How many of you don't have a dime to spend? I want you to smash the like button. Go ahead. If you're broke, right, but you don't want to be broke, go ahead and smash the like button here. So, you guys asked me for something worldwide and that you didn't have to spend a ton of money. So you have to spend $0. If that's okay, smash the like button and leave me a comment in the comments below here. So check it out. I can withdraw this cash right now if I wanted to. Look, boom, boom, boom. And I'm going to show you how to do this. This is $8,000. If I had a bank account hooked up, which I don't, eventually I'll get the money, right? But let me show you what I did. And let me show you step by step what you need to do right now to take yourself out of poverty, averageness. Or maybe you hate the 9-to-5 job, or maybe you don't want to go to college. Smash the like button if you prefer not to go to college. Listen, I didn't go to college and I'm rich. So college is probably not the key to your success. I'm just saying. So check it out. Warrior Plus is the website you want to go to. Go to that site right now. warriorplus.com. I'll leave the site in the description below. Now, these people are the people that's going to pay you. Just want you to know that. They're going to pay you. All you need to do is have a PayPal, a bank account, and you will get paid. It doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter where you live. You will get paid if you follow exactly what I'm about to show you here. And another thing to think about is, know that you can do this. I want you to come and watch this with a positive attitude. Don't be like all the poor and broke people that keep thinking, oh, I can't make money. It's not working. It's not working. Listen, if you keep telling yourself that it's not working, you would never, ever make money online, okay? So listen, stop being that way. Change your mindset. Believe that you will. As a matter of fact, comment below, I will make money right now. I did this when I was broke, when I had nothing. I would tell myself, this is my day. And it became my day, and I made over $40 million. Think about that. So what you do is, once you logged in, you get a free account. Get a free account, okay? Just get a free account on warriorplus.com. It's free, and it's worldwide. Go to affiliate, go to offers here. All you need to do is scroll down where it says, I'm going to make this very simple for you because this is a lazy way to make the money. Not making any money. That's you, right? You're not making money. Click here. I made it so easy, right? So all my YouTube friends, Instagram friends can come here and see this and say, okay, that's me. I'm not making any money, but you want to. You're going to click on it. This is going to be the product that you're going to promote right now. Right now, AZ Cash Codes is doing so well because what the product does, simply, it just gives you free stuff in Amazon. We exposed the loophole in Amazon. I had a developer. I spent like $100,000 for him to put it together. And now people around the world are getting free stuff. And we sold so much of it that I bought a McLaren, right? Yeah, and maybe I'll show you my McLaren on my Instagram. Go to Wesley $1 Million Virgin. But what's important is that you can make some of this money right now. I'm talking about $100 to $1,000 a day guarantee. So what you want to do is, you're going to see a button here. It's going to say request for approval. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a different product here. So imagine that this right here is this. It's going to look like that on your end. Obviously, I already have a link because I'm making money already right now. You're going to hit the word request. When you hit request, you need to request for approval. Now me, because I'm Wesley $1 Billion Virgin, and I love you, I'm going to accept it. All you need to write is this. Wes, this is your name, whatever your name is, from YouTube. Approve me, my guy. Right? Approve me. And if you're a girl, you can say, approve me, my boo. My boo-boo. Whatever. Then I'm going to approve you. Let me share some about Warrior Plus. A lot of these vendors, they want to approve you because, unlike me, I have love for the people that's not making money because it took me a long time to figure this out. And a lot of Warrior Plus people, they're not going to approve you because, well, they don't want people sending traffic and you know what you're doing, okay? It's just going to waste their time. But me, I want everybody to win. okay, from the top of my heart, and I believe that you will. So once you request your link, you want to make sure you click on the product here, okay, and you just copy it. That's your link. This is what gets you paid, okay? It's your link to get paid. Does that make sense? And I know what you're thinking, well, Wesley, how do I get people to the link? Now, listen, the reason why I call this very lazy, because even now, I'm in my bed right now. I'm laying down. I'm in my drawers, in my Versace drawers. And I thought that you could do the same thing as well. You know, it doesn't take any willpower, doesn't take any brain power, because everything that you're watching right now is in the video, okay? So all you do is this. That's the last step. Go to Facebook, okay? And you're going to go type in free laptops and phones, because basically that's what the software does. Honestly, it gives you free laptops and phones from Amazon and more stuff for free. That's the crazy part. It's these codes. Groups, you go to groups here. And all you want to do is you want to join all these groups. Okay, join them all, right? Join all the groups for a free laptop, or you can do free Amazon stuff. They have a group for everything, don't they, right? Check it out. So you want to join all these groups, okay? And see, like this group is 8,000 members. Look at this free stuff, Amazon deals and codes. Great. This is the group you want to be in. And all you do is this. And you're going to love me so much for this. Look, free. Want a free laptop or iPhone? Share this and comment I do below. That's it. Legit. And put yes, it's legit. This is what I've been doing. Honestly, I paid somebody to do this for me, honestly. And they've just been doing this every day to 100 groups. And like I said, showed you before, I'm up like, what, 100? How much? 50. If I look at my wallet, that's almost $50,000. And the month is not even over yet. The month is still here. So listen, I know you can do at least $100 a day or $200 a day. I had a young lady send me an email from, I think it was Colorado. 25 years old. She said, Wes, I just made $100 doing exactly what you just showed me. I had a teenager. He's like 19 years old. He said, Wes, I don't want to go to school. My parents want me to go. Can I make money? I showed him this. He made $250 from doing this. When you post it, all you do is when people comment, I do, you reach out to them via the DM. And in the DM, you say, oh, you want the free laptop? Cool. Here's the link. The link is what? Of course, it's your affiliate link that you found right here. Okay, this link right here. All right? You just give it to them and let them go. Now, listen, sometimes Instagram does, sometimes Facebook does act funny. So you might have to break up the words a little bit and just tell them to take out the space, because sometimes Facebook will flag this, all right? But like I said before, put a little space in the word and tell them to remove the space and say thank me later. So if you do like 100 people per day, trust me, you'll make $1,000 with ease. So listen, comment the word like, or just smash the like button if you know you can do this. You know you can do this, big head. Of course. It is simple. Make sure you do AZ cash codes. You make sure this is the product here. And automatic, I'm going to approve you. And today, in the next 24 hours, you could be making money. So you can see money in your account like I did for free. No money at all. You just go to all these Facebook groups. Free stuff, free Amazon, free laptops, free phones. Join them all and get busy. And once you get to the point you're making $200 a day, get somebody else to do it for you and pay them $5. Does that make sense? Now, listen. If I don't do one-on-one type mentorship, but I do help people and I do invest in people's companies here. So under this video here, I'm going to leave a link that you can click if you're looking for a partner. I'm not here to mentor. I'm here to partner with you. If you're looking for a partner, if you're willing to invest your time and your finances with me so I can help you become a multimillionaire, hey, let's go. If not, then just keep watching the videos and keep trying to figure it out for yourself. Listen, you can do this. This is very possible, but you got to put in the work. You got to persevere. You got to be patient. So I'll see you next time. And like I said before, in the description below If you're looking for a partner, not mentor, a partner, I want to partner with you. Look for that information below. Let's get a 15-minute call with me. Let's get on the phone. Let's find out where you at, where you want to be, and let me show you how fast I could do this. I do this all day long, and I am the millionaire maker, and I can make you a millionaire as well. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go!